Okay, hello, good morning. My name is Kirsten Hawkins. I am the U.S. Consul General in Lahore, and I am so pleased to be making my first visit to the Changa Manga forest, where we are participating in a tree planting activity, along with a member of our Pakistan-U.S. alumni network known as PWAN. Dr. Waqas Khan went to the United States back in 2014 and participated in a program where he learned more about both journalism and about protecting the environment. And now he is back here in his community, putting to good use the skills and knowledge that he gained to protect the environment. And this is a part of our U.S.-Pakistan Green Alliance framework. Our two countries are working together to protect the environment, to create a brighter future for the children you see behind me here who have been participating in the tree planting activity. Together, we're working on things like clean energy, climate-smart agriculture, and water management, because climate is a shared responsibility. We all need to do our part to protect the environment. Thank you.